working for a longtime friend and customer of ours, Mr. Dorse. He's opened up a new hair shop called The Cut on Main in Cunningham, Pennsylvania. We're going to be doing a strip and wax. Businesses are finally opening. First thing we're doing is moving all the furniture out of the way. It's a smaller shop, but nonetheless we're going to make this floor look beautiful. One of the first steps is to remove as much dry soil as possible. So we're vacuuming up all the hair. Once we have most of the furniture moved out of the way, we're going to start filling our buckets. Next step, after we apply the stripper, we're going to be doing our edge work. We started scrubbing and you can already see the difference. Our next step will be to soak up the spent solution, stripping solution. Sometimes we use a shop vac to do that, but in a case of a small area, it's much more efficient to use a bucket mop. And once we have mopped up all the spent solution, we're going over with an extra step of freshwater mopping. Although the stripper is considered a no rinse, we go the extra mile and make sure we get up any residue. And once the floor is nice and clean, we start putting down our coats of a thermoplastic floor finish. It's a 24% solids, UL listed as slip resistant. You can see with just the first coat we're starting to get a nice shine and luster, which we will continue to build on, and we'll put down about 5 coats. On humid days we like to bring the air movers so that we can help dry the floor quicker. That helps us work more efficiently and get the job done a little bit quicker. And here's the finished product. Proudly serving Northeast Pennsylvania and surrounding communities since 1990. Services etc. carpet and upholstery cleaning. Does tile, VCT, laminate, ceramic tile and grout. Office cleaning, janitorial.